हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये मेरा पहला वीडियो है। मैं आपको यहाँ पे एसक्यूएल के सारे कंसेप्ट बताने वाली हूँ और हम सॉफ्टवेयर पे प्रैक्टिस भी करेंगे। सो व्हाट इज़ एसक्यूएल? एसक्यूएल structured query language is used to perform operations on the record stored in the database, such as updating records, inserting records, deleting records, creating and modifying database tables, views, etc. SQL is not database system, but it is a query language. It is pronounced as SQL or sometimes SQL. This database language is mainly designed for maintaining the data in relational database management system, and it is a special tool used by data professionals for handling structured data which store in the form of tables. Use SQL for storing the data in the backend. Why SQL? The basic use of SQL for data professionals and SQL users is to insert, update, and delete the data from relational database. SQL allows the data professionals and users to retrieve the data from the relational database management system, and it also helps them to describe the structured data. It allows SQL users to create, drop, and manipulate the database and its table. It also helps in creating the views, store procedures, and functions in the relational database. It allows you to define the data and modify that store the data in the relational database. It also allows SQL users to set the permission and constraint on the table, columns, views, and store procedure. Process of SQL. When we execute the command of SQL on any relational database management systems, then the systems automatically find the best route to carry out our request, and the SQL engines determines how to interpret that particular command. Structured query language contain the following four components in its process. First is query dispatchers, second is optimization engines, and third is classic query engines, and fourth is SQL query engines. So this is the diagram from SQL architectures and some SQL commands. So SQL commands help in creating and managing the database, and which are highly used are mentioned below. Create command. This command help in creating a new database, new table, new views, and other object of the database. Update command. This command help in updating or changing the stored data in the database. Delete command. This command help in removing and erasing the saved record from the database table. It erases single or multiple tuples from tables of the database. Select command. This command helps in accessing the single or multiple row from one or multiple tables of database. We can also use these commands with the where clause. Drop command. This command helps in deleting the entire table views and other object from the database. Insert command. This command helps in inserting the data and records into database table. We can easily insert the record in a single as well as multiple rows of the table. ये सारे कमांड मैं आपको जो एसक्यूएल के सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं उनमें कैसे चलाते हैं वो भी मैं आपको आगे आने वाली वीडियोस में बताऊंगी. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.